Jason's Acoustic Workshop. Today we're doing lesson 22 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. Now before I begin, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel. The channel is growing. It's greatly appreciated. If you haven't yet, please do so. I have a lot of videos coming. Now, there's only a couple more videos in the beginner series, and then I'm going to start on the intermediate series. Now, I've been getting some messages from people all around the world that have been watching my live videos, and for that, thank you very much. They said that they've been hearing some percussion in the background, and they want to know what it is. One of them even asked me if it was a drum machine. Well, the answer is no. I don't use drum machines. I don't use looper pedals either. I know it's really popular now, but I don't use looper pedals. I just throw a little reverb and a little bit of delay in some songs. And I use a special palm muting technique that I've developed. Now, and I'm going to show you that today. I know there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube that show you how to palm mute, but this is a different kind of palm muting. Okay? So, and there's different variations to it. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get to that right now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Before we begin, I'm going to show you what kind of pick I'm using. It's a Jim Dunlop 38mm nylon pick. And I found that either the 38mm or the 46mm works best for this type of technique. Okay? So now you're going to be using this part of your palm right here. And of course you're going to hold your pick like that. See that? Alright. Now you basically, you see these three frets right here. You're going to be playing right there, pretty much on the center one. You might come over here a little bit, but you want to remain in between these two frets, right in the center one right here. Okay? So that's where you're going to be. Now, right there is where your palm's going to be. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute this, okay, and I'm going to show you. You're basically going to come up and hit, and when you hit, as you come down, your palm is going to hit the strings and mute it, just for that 1/10 of a second. Okay, it's like that. As you're strumming, you're going to come up higher and come down, just like that. Okay? So, we're going to do a G chord. It's going to go something like this. Just do like this. See where my pick is? Now you see where my palm is. Stays on just for a split second. Now you can speed up the process. Or you can slow down the process. I use this technique on about 90% of my songs. Now when I do a song from the Cars, it starts off kind of a different type of style. You just go with the beat, okay? Sometimes, like Stacy's mom. Come back. So there's different variations to this, and if you want to kind of lower the snare sound a little bit, remember as you're right here, just come back about right here, just like that. Has kind of a softer sound. If you want a nice, and trust me, when you have a little reverb on it, people are going to be thinking, wow, that sounds like a snare. Does he have a percussionist up there? Does he, I mean, something. They're going to think you have a drum machine, but you're not. It's basically, it's the palm muting. Okay? All right. Now, make sure you practice about an hour a day. I mean, you're not going to get it right off the bat. You might, but it takes a little practice. Sometimes when I'm playing, I kind of tend to kind of mess up when it comes to hitting it right where it's supposed to be, and sometimes it won't come out as predominant as I would like it to. So you just change it up, hit that. Just practice like that, without, and then hit right to the chords. So it's all a matter of basically at first just muting it, get that pick part down first, and then work on the palm. But like I said, you want it to be constant. You want the sound to be constant. Alright, I hope this helps. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. I hope you were trying to do it as I was playing it. Make sure that you practice at least an hour a day, okay? And mute the strings first, and then try it. And then incorporate the chords afterwards, okay? It's a learning process. Like I said, you're not going to get it overnight. It takes practice. Now, I hope I've answered everybody's question that has emailed me and asked me about this. If you're having problems, message me again. I'll see if I can do another one and do a different angle. Or maybe I'll just take some photos or something and show you that way. Okay? So, one more thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we have the intermediate lessons that are going to be starting up. We have chord noting to do, and we're going to be doing some really funky chords. All right. Plus, I'm going to be playing some cover songs. We're going to put that in another series also. Okay. So for Jason's Acoustic Workshop, I'm Jason. Practice at least an hour a day, and we'll see you in lesson 23.